We all have a need to download online video one time or another before it got taken down or for offline viewing. You can find many ways of doing so on the net. What they failed to do is that what these apps cannot do now. YouTube has all the reason to deter these apps from downloading by changing the way it streams and the file's accessibility. I am here to share my experience and hopefully save someone some time in running around a circle. I'll try to update the video when things change. It's November 2020. I placed some useful links in the description section. First one, let's try VLC Media Player. On browser, play the video you like to download. Click on the cogwheel or setup icon and make sure there is the resolution you like. Right-click on the video and select Copy Video URL. Please note this URL has different resolution video links or information. On VLC, Control and then Control-V, then select Play or Enter if it's on play already. There is a great deal of chance that an errors window popped up saying, your input can't be opened, in red. Logically, we search the net for advice at this point. I did this too many times and decide to share the experience with others and hopefully contribute to the net community. If you have not upgraded VLC to the latest version with youtube.luac file, now it's a good time to do it. I have put the procedure in the written description section. Back to downloading the video. Once the video is playing in the VLC, on VLC, Control-J, then right-click on Locations text and click Select All. Once the text is highlighted, a Control-C. According to some web page, this link is supposed to be the highest resolution it can find. My take is that once upon a time, that may be the case. On the browser, add a new tab and paste this link with Enter to run. Right-click on the video play and select Save Video As. All I ever saved video were 360p resolution with VLC. With a list of YouTube links that I cannot save with VLC. Let's try the second method. I go to WingsHD Video Converter Deluxe next as it's a ping software with free trial. Click on Check for Update to make sure the version is the latest. Copy YouTube video URL first, then on Wings. Click YouTube URL. On the popped-up window, click Paste and Analyze. If it does not work, there is no link after the busy sign disappears. Many resolution links show up. If it works, then click OK. When the main window, choose the resolution you'd like to download, but all ended up with 360p resolution after download. Browse the folder you like. If you want to change, then click Run to download. There are still some video links that cannot be downloaded with this method. Third method. Let's try youtube4kdownloader.com, which comes on top of search. It's an online web-based server. Just paste YouTube or one of 900 plus sites URL in the box provided. A busy signal shows up and wait for error message or download links. On the download links, right-click and select Save Link As. When it works, it should prompt you the download location of your choice with video description as file name. If you don't see the file name with MP4, WEBM, M4A, or web as file extension, the download fails. Sometimes lower resolutions work. I have some video links not working with a web page. There is a private downloader from YouTube 4K Downloader. The private means it uses very private network VPN to access local copyright-related issues. This site is most useful to paste video URL source text in the box. The way I copy the source is Control-U to pop a source text tab. Control-A to select all and then Control-C to copy. As my last comments on the video downloading, YouTube private downloader with source text is the only way of downloading all in high-resolution YouTube video.